Are you feeling overwhelmed by your finances? Do terms like budgeting and investing sound intimidating? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, managing your money effectively is more crucial than ever. But don't worry, we're here to make it simple. Welcome to Mastering Your Money, your beginner's guide to personal finance and investing, tailored for the USA audience. We'll cover everything you need to know to take control of your financial future. First up, budgeting. It's not about restricting yourself, but about understanding where your money goes. A simple budget can transform your financial habits. Start by tracking your income and expenses. A popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs like rent and groceries, 30% for wants like entertainment, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Find what works for you, whether it's an app or a simple spreadsheet. Next, a crucial step, your emergency fund. This is your financial safety net for unexpected events, a job loss, medical emergency, or car repair. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible savings account. Debt can be a double-edged sword. Understand the difference between good debt, like a mortgage or student loan, and bad debt, such as high-interest credit card debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first using methods like the avalanche or snowball. Now for the exciting part, investing. It's how your money works for you. Even small amounts invested consistently over time can grow significantly thanks to the power of compound interest. For beginners, consider broad market index funds like the S&P 500 or exchange-traded funds, known as ETFs. These offer diversification with less risk than individual stocks. And don't forget retirement accounts like a Roth IRA or your employer's 401k, especially if there's a company match. For our USA audience, there are many excellent resources. Check out platforms like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab for traditional investing, or Robinhood and Acorns for a more beginner-friendly mobile experience. Websites like Investopedia and NerdWallet are fantastic for financial education. Taking control of your finances is the best gift you can give your future self. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with someone who needs a financial boost. For more deep dives into building your net worth, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Wealth Logic YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.